I have never shared this technique ever. So before we get that, if there is a block here, how can we open and fully ooze out this beautiful energy and claim in the money faster to our life? Welcome back, beautiful souls, to the channel. I'm Chica, your conscious mentor, and today I will be sharing with you guys a manifestation technique that I've never shared before. Probably one of the most powerful ways to manifest money, and that is how to open your third eye and activate it while manifesting money with your third eye. It is an amazing technique, and it can be very powerful and allows us to literally imprint the money that we want to bring into our life, along with working with the law of attraction. So I cannot wait to get into this video. Before we get into this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, as well as put notification bells. I do videos every single week for you amazing, beautiful souls, and let me know in the comments down below what other manifestation techniques or other things that you're manifesting that you would want me to help you out with, and I'd love to do a video for you. And if you are looking to deep dive deeper and to go deeper into your healing, I do one-on-one mentoring with energy healing to help you, guide you through understanding how to heal through the shadow and to expand and be a conscious being that you are, as well as my Conscious Abundant Academy, where it has a whole bunch of programs that can really help you dive deeper into conscious living, conscious healing, and conscious power. So I'm really grateful to have that space for you guys and to hold space, and it's such a great, amazing way to understand that energy is really ultimately everything. And I'm going to show you guys that in today's video with the third eye, and how easy it is that we can just manifest money like right, left, and center. And today's subscriber of the day is Maria. Thank you so much for being part of this family. I am so grateful for each and every single one of you. I love reading your comments. This family is fantastic. I want to share that. I love you. I appreciate you. Just want to share that. Please take a second. Gratitude for you. Let's get into the third eye. So if you haven't watched my video already on how to instantly open your third eye, please go watch it. I'm gonna leave the little thumbnail here so you know what you're looking for, and I'll also leave the link to the video here for you, because this video is ultimately breaks down step by step how to do it even thoroughly, and the reason why I'm going to be sharing the following steps with you. This video is more of like, how are we using the third eye to actually now activate, to exercise this space. So we're going deeper. It's like, okay, now I have my third eye, I've activated it, I understand, I've seen these colors that are coming in. How do I hold space for that? And also, if you guys would like me to do a video on what the different colors mean and why you see them, please let me know with a rainbow emoji in the comment section so I can do a video. I was thinking about it the other day, and I was like, maybe I should ask them first and see what the vibe is. So if you guys are feeling that, put a rainbow emoji down below. But go watch that video, pause it, and come back here, and let's manifest some money. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is we're going to understand and do an activity on what is your relationship with money. So we're going to close our eyes together. And I just want you to take a deep breath in through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth. Oh, beautiful. And just continuing to breathe in through the nose with me, exhaling out through the mouth, and continuing to breathe here. And we're just going to stay away from the mind and ask the body, what does money mean to you? And this can simply be how you feel about money right now. What is my relationship with money? How do I feel blocked with money, or how do I want to attract more money into my life? It is so important that we speak to energy as a relationship as with someone. And this is how money is able to abundantly come into our life, is when we check in and say, hey, money, how are you feeling? How do you feel within my energy here? And noticing if there's any places in your body as you breathe deeply in through the nose and out through the mouth. If there's any places that you notice that your body is attending to, and breathing deeper into those spaces. And taking a deep breath in through the nose. Exhaling out through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhaling out through the mouth. And opening your eyes. I love doing activities with you guys because I ultimately feel this energy activity with you, and just going in there, there's like so many downloads. Let me know what you felt, what came up to you. I know for me, I felt Egyptian energy, hieroglyphics, abundance goddess energy, definitely the element of where I am right now with money. I want to see where your energy of money is. What did you feel? What came up? Because this is going to be very important to activate and to open the third eye. Before we get into the space, you need to understand, where is my thoughts? Because if there is a block here, we need to attend to it. And maybe for some of you guys, there is this negative energy here or this feeling of money. And I call into you to do this extra step before you move forward. And that is to breathe into that specific block, closing your eyes and imagining a beautiful green flower of some sort, green plant. And as you envision this plant, thinking of this plant as a representation of the block of why you feel money is not coming to you. And then eventually I want you to say, I release you. It is so, it is done. Say that down below. I release you. It is so, it is done. And actually, as you breathe, every inhale you take is of white light and green light. And every exhale you take is actually going to destroy this plant. And when we are destroying it, we're giving it to the earth, we're giving it to the soil, and we're releasing it from here. And this is going to help you visualize and feel, how does that feel? Where am I now that I've shifted that energy of that money here? It is an exercise I use quite often. It's so simple, and it's good to do it right when we notice it, as opposed to just allowing it to stay in the subconscious mind and allowing it to kind of burrow and create roots into our being, into our energy. And the power of the third eye is envisioning. It's the mind. It's the ability to collectively receive and to visualize and to be here to speak what is our truth and what money you want to manifest at the end of the day. So before we get that, if there is a block here, how can we open and fully ooze out this beautiful energy and claim in the money faster to our life, right? If that block is still there. So this is so, so powerful, so impactful here. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. This is how to instantly opening our third eye here to activate the third eye, okay? So I'm gonna have you come in with me. We're gonna enter into this portal. I want you to close your eyes, and you can sit up in a chair. I love sitting up in chairs when I do manifestations. I find I like having my feet grounded, but if you want to cross your legs, that's totally fine as well. But just making sure that your back is fully erected, it's fully up straight, so it can be in a space of receiving, in a space of here, okay? And I'm gonna close my door because there's kids running around. One sec. Okay, sorry. I was like, well, let me close the door so I can fully be here and you guys can concentrate with me. So we're just gonna close our eyes here, take a deep breath in, exhale out. Deep breath in, exhale out. Deep breath in, exhale out. And as we breathe here, I want you to start to bring your attention to the middle of your forehead, bringing your eyes to roll towards them. And we're going to do it 3 times with our breath. So taking a deep breath in and bringing our eyes, rolling them to the middle of our forehead, holding it, and exhaling out and relaxing our eyes. Deep breath in, bringing our attention to the middle of our forehead. Holding it and release out through the mouth. Another deep breath in. Rolling our eyes to the middle of our forehead, to our third eye here, holding it and exhaling. Now gently just relaxing your eyes to rest where your third eye is and breathing. In through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Deep breath in through the nose. Exhale out through the mouth. Just continuing to breathe. And I now want you to claim what money you want to bring into your life, the exact amount, the exact thing that you want to manifest with money. Keeping your eyes resting on the third eye and continuing to breathe to cultivate that alchemy. The breath is what allows us to shift our vibrations, so making sure we're breathing in through the nose, exhaling out through the mouth, sounding our breath here. Beautiful. And I want you to start to be with this energy of beautiful abundance and manifesting the money that is divinely yours. What you are buying or being or having with this money. How you are, managing this energy of money in your space. Allowing it to bring abundance into your life. How you emotionally feel with this money. Are you happy? Are you excited? Are you holding space for this money? And just smiling to yourself as you continue to rest your eyes here at your third eye. And I just want you to feel this beautiful golden light starting to form. Golden, green, and purple light starting to form in the middle of your forehead. And breathing into that. And as you breathe into this golden, green, purple light, allowing this to activate and to be imprinted into the third eye. And I just want you to feel it as we breathe into it, taking a deep breath in together. Exhaling out. Deep breath in. Exhaling out. Deep breath in. Exhaling out. And just feeling your vibration heighten, continuing to breathe. Bringing your breath all the way up to your third eye. Expanding that energy here. Beautiful. I am abundant. I am money. Money comes to me easily and quickly. It is divinely mine and it is my divine right. And taking a deep breath in here. Holding your breath to hold the energies here. And release. Deep breath in. And release. Deep breath in. And release. Resting your eyes to naturally rest as they desire. Continuing to be conscious with your breath, breathing into the space. And we give gratitude for how abundant you are and how much money that is so easily able to be manifest, as we can allow it to be printed into our third eye. We have channeled it to the universe, to our higher self, to our soul, to our being, to our energy. And I want you to breathe with me here as we activate that energy and allow it to sit. And we're going to breathe in just through the mouth, and we're going to be breathing 2 breaths per second. And I'll breathe with you, and it will sound like this. And we're breathing here. And I want you to keep your eyes gently rested on your third eye here. And begin. And keep going in and out through the mouth only. Feeling your vibration heighten, feeling this fire energy. Beautiful, keep going. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Beautiful. And take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Resting our eyes gently as we keep them closed. Deep breath in and release. Deep breath in and release. And open your eyes. What a magical, magical experience, magical activity here. And how powerful is it that we have the ability to access, to instantly open our third eye and to open using a chakra to activate our manifestation for our money, for this abundance that we have. Such a powerful technique. I have never shared this technique ever, and I'm so grateful to. And let me know how you feel. Please come back to this video as many times as you need to do it with me until you feel called that you want to do it on your own. And feel free to use the other video as well to help you understand deeper why we activate the chakra, why we activate the third eye chakra, and how powerful it can be. If you'd like me to talk about more of how you can manifest with the third eye, let me know down below. I'd love to share more on exactly what you would like to manifest, so it helps me a little bit more. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe, as well as put notification bells. I do weekly videos for you guys, as well as monthly full moon and new moon meditation healings and energy updates. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.